Agoda affiliate program. Is it a legit way to earn money online? Yes, the Agoda affiliate program is a legit way to earn money online, but it's not a passive gold mine. You need traffic, strategy, and consistency. So Agoda pays 5% commission per sale, with access to over 2 million properties worldwide. It's perfect for travel vloggers, influencers, or niche site owners who can drive bookings. You get a unique referral link. When someone books through them, you earn. But here's the catch. The cookie lasts only 1 day. If your visitor doesn't book immediately, you lose the commission. The payout threshold is $50, and you'll need real conversions, not just clicks. Agoda provides performance tracking and integrates well with tools like Lasso for link management and display optimization that helps boost click-through rates and earnings. So the bottom line is it's legit, scalable, and trusted, but only if you treat it like a business. If you're in the travel niche and know how to drive intent-based traffic, Agoda can absolutely pay off. Just don't expect overnight results.